My dear friends, in another form, I bless you. As I have already told you, Mahatma Gandhi in Punarjanam has taken a new brand Micromax mobile with 8 GB internal memory and 2 GB RAM. This 8 megapixel camera has a excellent quality, but I require 61 megapixel camera. Actually, I have to tell you a nice thing. There is a hazard indicator. You are looking hazard indicator. This is hazard indicator. This has been found in all four-wheelers, but not found in two-wheelers. So the Minister of Transport must do a thing. They ordered to burn light of all two-wheeler in day also. Instead of burning these lights, they have to arrange this hazard indicator in all two-wheeler. There is no hazard indicator in two-wheelers, but this is hazard indicator. This hazard indicator must be in all two-wheelers. This is my order. Devesh Kumar Bhatt Jinda order to Transport Ministry to establish the hazard indicator. Now there is another problem. This is handbrake. You know handbrake. As we apply handbrake, there is a red button. There is a red button. This is handbrake, and as we this is this is hazard. This is hazard indicator. This is burning hazard indicator. This is hazard indicator. This is hazard indicator. This indicator must be with a sound, means high horn, so that if we start our vehicle, चालू कर ये ऊपर कर this there must be a horn. This is my order. Now another order is to, what is this? This is Haribhumi classified 8130104306. What is this loot Mari? I am beeping due to my condolence. What is this? What is this? I will not pardon anyway. I will do murder of Ajay Sahu. I am very angry. I am so angry. I am 12-inch penis. I am so angry. I am so angry that I will not pardon Ajay Sahu in any way. Ajay Sahu 9826145683 is the only responsible person for this biggest robbery of the universe. This is Haribhumi classified, Patrika classified, Navbharat classified robbery. Now we are going to notorious Bhangaram temple. This Bhangaram said to be the judiciary of God. जब गार्ड होता ही नहीं है तो गार्ड का मंदिर कहां से आएगा? नाउ वी विल शो यू दी भगवान गिरी चोलो आंदोलन 2017 with 12-inch penis, and I do again challenge that if we want to save humanity, we have to do अखबार होली instead of traditional होली. Now this is ghanta. This ghanta has to be stolen with both screw okay, vakti okay, rendu okay, and again note this is 12 inches penis. This penis नाप लो. This is 12 inches penis and this is लटके बाल. These लटके बाल has not been cutting since Sangeeta Chutmari had died. We have to kill Sangeeta Chutmari. Now we have to show you how to celebrate Akhbar Holi. We have to take newspaper and symbol of non-vegetarian board. This is God, this is A. And again we have to make a newspaper and we have to install newspaper in a way that they become holy. This is Akhbar Holi. This is Akhbar Holi. You are looking Akhbar Holi of D.K. Bhatt. Before Akhbar Holi, you have to take a pan. This is pan. This is screw, one okay, another okay. And this is 12 inches penis. Do not forget. We have to take a pan in our mouth and to be silent for few days, few time. But before taking a pan, we have to again notify. These classifieds are Dushman of India, enemy of India. Now we have to install this classified over here, and after classified we have to make a paper holy, and first of all we have to do urine over there. Just see the video. This is Mahatma Gandhi urine. This is Mahatma Gandhi 12 inches penis urine, and this urine is completely clear. After doing the urine, we have to check both screw. These screw must be green. After these screw, we have to take a diya and do something puja. After this must be ulti puja. This is not a traditional holi. This is Akhbar holi, and we have to break. We have to break this diya. This diya is symbol of Pakhandgiri. After that, we have to do puja. In the traditional puja, we were not having any puja, but in the Akhbar Holi puja, we have to do no mantra at all. There is no puja. Before puja, you have to take a pan in your mouth. after taking pan in your mouth, you will be silent, and this silent will generate a biggest violence in the universe to eradicate classified लूटमारी and to kill संगीता हरामजादी including अजय साहू, वीरेंद्र मिश्रा and शबद सोलंकी, अविनाश गोस्वामी and हरामखोर देवेंद्र फडणवीस, who is not stopping गंगा जमुना लूटमारी. I will not pardon any लूटमारी in future. This is my order. This is my farman. Now we will take a close look how to celebrate Akhbar Holi. First I try to check both screw. These are okay. This is 12 inches penis with all nut ke ball. After this screw, you have to take a pan, and after pan, you have to be silent for at least 2 minutes. So I am doing starting over here the Akhbar Holi, and after taking pan in mouth, I will be silent and you will enjoy Akhbar Holi. Thank you very much. God bless you. And now this is the pan ka kaagaz. This is the markers. You have to take markers and to burn this pan ka kaagaz. After burning this pan ka kaagaz, you have to burn this paper. This is Akhbar Holi. This is Akhbar Holi, and this Holi will save India from classified lootmari, and this is my village. Okay, thank you.